It is about attractive body language. See, what do you think about attractive body language? Many people think about communication skills, that what are they, but they actually don't know that their skills matters on body language. 90% of your attraction and your communication skills on body language. So today we are going to talk about how to improve that skills and be a attractive body language person. So according to definition, body language is a part of non-verbal communication. It is very important to improve these skills to live life. So now we are going to discuss some major 4 factors about this. The first one is eye contact. Eye contact should be exactly matching the eyes of front person. So it means if you are not matching your eye contact with other, it shows that you are not interested in that person. You are not listening that carefully. But if you match the eye contact of that person, it means you are interested, you are a approaching person. So they will work as a, they will deal with you very carefully. So it is a very important factor to attract or to show your attractive body language. Now go to the next point. Next point is smile. See, smiling face is attract everyone. If you notice, when we take selfie, we smile just 2 seconds. The selfie comes very beautiful. I would like to say, if we smile whole life, the life would become very much beautiful. So that's why smiling is very important. A smiling face attracts every person in life. So take a light smile on your face and keep it up. So it makes a positive impact. It increases likability. If you are a smiling person, people will like you. Definitely they will like you. And I want to share that there is a difference between smiling and laughing. So don't laugh, just smile. Now come to the next point, be in open postures. One of the most important point. Nowadays people do what things? They stand like this, cross hands. They see downwards like this. This is wrong. You don't need to do that. Now people do many things. What is open postures? There are 2 types of postures, closed and open. I have told you closed posture, people stand like this, crossing their hands in front of, and they also stand like this. These all are the wrong things. What do you have to do? You have to stand away. Suppose a lemon is on your nose and you have to balance it while doing this, like you have to stand straight and you have to focus in front. So there would be posture like this. This is open posture. It matters very well. Now come to the last point, which is most impactful and powerful point, which is called mirroring. Now we consider mirroring as a same to same copy. We don't need to copy, but we shown to mirroring to that person. Like if I am talking to you in a low pitch, in a low voice, you have to also speak on the low voice. Suppose I am talking to you like, hey everyone, how are you? And you are talking to me like, hello sir, I am good. That's not good. You will not definitely like me. I definitely will not like you. So there should be a mirroring. Mirroring means same postures, same examples. Suppose I am talking in a way, so you have to talk in exact way which I am talking to you right now. Now if that person is open to you, you have to behave like him, like you are open. Don't be closed. Third one is closed. If he is talking with you closely, so you have to do same things. You have to do same things. Now lean back. If person is talking you leaning back, he is going back, so you have to do the same thing. If he is leaning forwarding, then you have to also do the same things. So now come to the conclusion. Body language is the very most important thing. If I talk about a girl, a boy, and everywhere, in every occupation, every situation, body language is the most interesting and important factor of everybody's life. So I would like to say, please improve your body language so you can attract others and you can get success. So thank you for listening me. Have a great day.